Hey guys, we have here Amada press with the program already staged up. First step is about to go in action. Start is ready to go, and we're about to trigger the foot pedal to get the first step going. We're going to hear a beeping noise once it recognizes the point. I'm going to release the foot pedal. It's going to go down and the back gauge is going to go ahead and move. You can go ahead and see the back gauge and the rest of the functions going on. We're going to our step 2. We're at our distance. I'm going to go ahead and release the pedal. Back gauge, push piece forward. Now we're going to step 3. Hit our limit point. We're going to release, track the back gauge. Step 4. Go ahead and release the pedal. Back gauge the track. On our step 5. I'm going to release the pedal. This particular program probably has about 10 steps. I'm going to go ahead and stop the program. And we're going to go ahead and orientate the back gauge. And you can see it go all the way back to its retracting point. And that's its home position. So from there, the rest can just be programmed through with the depth, back gauge, and all the other adjustment features that it has on this control.